Baby, meet this Oven Brother.
The pleasure's mine.
Oven Brothers, the original bro. We're cooking out of doors, we're cooking chili.
Don't get cold.
Cooking chili right in the OB. It's wood fired when the wood is just a crackling. Engine room looks like a nice warm smile. Maybe add some pork and maybe add some beef. Then baby put it all in for a while.
I've got time.
I will bet some bread to go with chili.
Can we do that?
Could it be Bread Shepherd is our guy?
He is.
Really quite successful with a lot of dough.
Husky
He
too.
can make that bread Italian style. We're out using the OB to cook some chili. That's the one. Dynamite. Real good stuff.
We're grinding meat because we're meat grinders.
Call it the hot seat because it's a seat.
It's hot.
We're making chili.
Gour-
Con carne.
Gourmet.
Carne is French for meat. Chili is German for delicious thick soup. So it's a bit of a fusion situation. We're in Canada, so I think that's sort of it. Isn't that nice? The way food brings the world
Yeah,
together.
really. It's like the United Nations up in here.
Hey guys, are we rolling?
We're rolling, bud.
You're gonna want to get a little closer. You're gonna want to get the sizzle because the people at home love the sizzle. You get the sizzle? Okay. Put the onions in here.
Put the onions in the sizzle.
Yeah. That's sizzle.
Oh, yeah. What do you got there, garlic?
It's garlic. This is the microplaner. You want to get your fingers caught in there. It'll end up like mine. Really short fingers. I don't know if you've ever met the guys who grind meat.
I met the guy inside.
Yeah,
Nice guy.
not the best grinder of meat ever, but you know the good thing is he keeps trying. He's not a quitter.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, are you getting that side sizzle?
Yeah, bud.
Shoot, let's put some mushrooms in then. Who cares? I mean, the mushrooms are already dead at this point.
Looking good.
We invited a lot of fun guys to the party. Fun
The
guys.
chili smells amazing. Fun guys?
What do you think? Should we put this up on the roof?
Looks good.
Now we gotta add in. You know what's coming next. Huh?
Ooh. Yeah, that's right.
Hey everybody. Don't go anywhere. Hang on. Let's get the old corn hairs out of there. Hey, you floss after you eat. Now while you're getting the good pot. That's the Red Fox, Gonzo. That's the chili. That's the Red Fox chili. Oven Brothers, McKinnon Brothers. My kids are all brothers. How long have you been standing there? I don't know if you've met me. My name's Bread Shepherd. My mom calls me Breadward when she's mad at me. Breadward, what are you doing with the mixer?
What you making there?
Oh, hey, Gonzo. My name is Bread Shepherd, and I don't know if you've heard, but I've got a lot of dough. Pretty successful. I'm Brad Shepard, and I like to score. I'm Brad Shepard. I don't have a line, but guess what? It's time to put the bread in the fire. Brad Shepard. We've got some butter Milton. New Zealand? Yeah, it's Milton. Yeah, it's Milton on top. Yeah, we're gonna go inside. This whole bit is probably cool. But,
It's cool.
I'm Brad Shepard. I'm Brad Shepard. We're on a roll.
I'm Brad Shepard. I'm Brad Shepard. I'm Brad Shepard.
Okay, cut. Looks like. Oh, I'm Brad Shepard. I'm Brad Shepard. What do you think? Even if I weren't Brad Shepard, I'd want to be.
That's Brad Shepard worthy right now.
Oh.